What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Roblox on your mobile. So go ahead and open up the Play Store on your Android phone and search for Roblox. Once you go ahead and search for it, you'll find the Roblox app and you can install that. So as you can see here, it's currently downloading Roblox. It's just 122 megabytes. That should be super fast to download. And after that, it's going to quickly install it. So within a moment, you should see the installation process starts, as you can see right now. And there it is. Now I can go ahead and click and play, and you can see that it opens up. Keep in mind that you will need to sign into your Roblox account, guys. So go ahead and click sign in, and you can go ahead and enter your email address and your password to sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and try to log in. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my details here. Then I'm going to click on next, and I'm going to enter my password. And as you can see here, guys, I'm now in Roblox, and I can go ahead and I can start my connections, and I can go ahead and I can play Roblox whenever I want. And as you can see right down here, I can choose to sign into anything that I want and play.